Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Windrose game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Windrose on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to customize your control settings, go ahead and click on Settings directly underneath the play button. After this, you will see the controller or the mouse and keyboard option at the top. Click on whatever you are using to play your game, and you will see the buttons that have been assigned to your keyboard. You have the option to assign up to 2 different keys for the same task. So in order to assign a secondary button, click on the blank space directly aside. After this, you will be prompted to enter your desired new key. Just press your key that you want to map as the secondary button, and it will be mapped right away. In order to reassign an already assigned key, go ahead and click on the button that has been assigned. And once again, as soon as you're prompted, you can press your desired new key. By following this process, you can remap all of your buttons and keys based on your liking. After you are done, make sure to apply your changes by pressing the Enter key or clicking on the Apply button. And now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. And if you wish to change them in the future once again, just follow the same steps. Go back to Settings, and from the controller option, you can reassign your buttons once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.